Hey guys, Andrew here from Great Lakes Fish and Coral, and today we're going to talk about our practices and procedures here and how we dip our fish on Wednesdays when they come in. Today we're going to use the raw iron butterfly, a deep water fish from Japan. So what you'll need is a net, a specimen container, or some sort of container that'll hold water, hydroplex, which is what we use here in the big container, and we also have the small ones for hobbyists, and a syringe. Hydroplex was developed by scientists and microbiologists as a safe alternative to the stressful freshwater dip. In a freshwater dip, you're requiring the parasite to actually jump off of the fish, where hydroplex is capable of penetrating the cell walls and is directed as a 10-minute dip. During the 10-minute dip, hydroplex will penetrate the tissue, gills, and eyes of the fish and remove any active parasite, bacteria, or fungus that may be on the fish's gills or attached vasculature. Now, let's talk about how exactly we do this dip. Hydroplex is meant as a 10-minute dip at the end of the acclimation process, and in extreme cases can be dipped for a little bit longer without any ill effects. Most hobbyists are familiar with the acclimation process, and in most cases, a drip acclimation is recommended. When a hobbyist brings the fish home, they drip acclimate the animal, and at the end of the acclimation process, you will probably have more than a half gallon of water. It is recommended that you get a measured container and get a half gallon of your aquarium water in there, and then dump this bottle, which treats a half gallon of water, into that container. Now, you will let the fish swim and bathe in that for 10 minutes, and there's no worry of cross-contamination. So you can simply net the fish out of the container and place them in the display aquarium or quarantine. And that is how we dip our fish and inverts. Next, we'll show you how we dip our coral.